Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of smart minds. Well, today we'll see how to use a very popular, recently becoming popular app, that is Roposo. Today we'll go how to use this app. So first of all, as in any app, you have to go to Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, you have to type in the search the particular name of the app. This is Roposo. So as you can see, a lot of things will come up here, so you have to choose the best matching option. I will choose this. As you can see, this is the app that I was referring to. So this is the Roposo app. Since I've already installed it, I don't need to again like download it and open. So I'll directly, it shows open, I'll simply open it. So once you open, it will ask you for the mobile number. So just give your mobile number here. It will say for sending OTP. So once it is given, so I think it has already taken the OTP what has been sent to me. So after getting the OTP, it is asking me to write my full name. Like I'll write, it will ask for selecting the age. I'll just put my age, gender, and I'll sign up. So once I sign up, you can see selected preferred video language. So you can select out of this most popular Indian languages like Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Bengali, all these things, Odia, Assamese. So let me choose like Hindi. So let me see if I can choose one or two. Okay, no, only one. I'll go for Hindi. Next. So as you can see, this is my home page. So here it's showing the swipe up to see the next post. I'll just swipe up. Let me see what is coming. I'm proud to use India Cup now video. Okay, fine. I'll just keep on swiping. Change channel from here. Got it. Okay, so these are the things which the Roposo is calling it as channels, like Beats, Filmistan, Wow, Bhakti, all these things. So okay, it's asking me to rate. I'll rate it later. Okay, these are the channels you can select. Let me see, I'll choose for example Rangoli. Let me see what exactly is going. Okay, some Pani Puri sort of things. So you can see all these things here. So it's almost like TikTok. You can use it and enjoy it as well. If you like any video, you can see the many tabs or option coming in the right side of this window. If you like any video, you can just press like. There have already been like 449 likes for this video. This is something like gift. If you want to give some gift to this video creator, you can just click here, select gift. What happens? You don't have enough coins. Keep watching to get more coins. As you go on watching, you'll be getting more and more coins which you can give to this particular creator. So this is what if you want, you can even share this in WhatsApp. I'll for example share it to somebody. Look, it is being shared in WhatsApp. A person can see it directly from his WhatsApp as well if you share it in WhatsApp. So I'll go back. Okay, and this is for downloading. This option you can download media save to gallery, and this thing something called collab, and use music mix and match. And this is for if you want to share something from your side, you can upload videos or record audio. So it is asking me to allow record videos or audio. You can see it has already turned on the camera, but if you want to just upload photo or video from your own mobile, go to your media and select files from here. So these are the options that you find in Roposo. So this is it. Let me now at this point tell you something more, like if you want to earn something from Roposo, you can see here one coin tab is being visible here. Just press it, something like 100. Once I join, I get something like 100 coins. So here it is saying that how to earn more coins. Create a video, get 5,000 coins if your post get featured in Roposo Stars channel. So if it gets featured there, then you will get something like 5,000 coins and get additional 1,000 bonus coins when your video gets featured on any of the channels. And then come back tomorrow and get 200 bonus coins. So this way you can earn coins in Roposo. And for information, it's like 5 rupees for 5,000 coins. So minimum you have to get 5,000 coins to get some amount of rupee back to your account, mostly on Paytm. So this is, you can go through these things to redeem to Paytm. So you can connect your Roposo to Paytm, so that as you go on getting more and more coins, the equivalent amount will be transferred. You can get it transferred to Paytm as well. And one thing is, this is your profile, if you can see. So this is how you can see your profile as well. So this is it that I had to say on Roposo. So it's a very new app right now. So if you want to enjoy this app, go on and install it. It's very much Indian. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you found this useful, please like it, share it, and please subscribe to this channel, Infotainment, under the playlist of Smart Minds, for getting more such videos which will make your life far more easier and happier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. Thank you.